In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to replace the rear shocks for Corolla Kentucky Rounder 1.6 step by step. Stay tuned, it's about to go down. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
This is it, man. Better Youth powered by Panic Mechanic.
This is Pogba, and he's one of my students at Better Youth Academy. He is 20 years old, but he doesn't even have mechanical engineering academic from school. He just came to us and asked how to learn to be a mechanic. He is the one who is going to do all the work in this episode, and I am only here to supervise him all the way.
As you can see, we removed the shock. The shock now is ready to go. We want to remove it. But one thing for sure, what we found out here is that this stabilizer, it was not tightened anyway. It was just hanging around like this, meaning that when this car it was running, it means that it was doing koro 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 koro. This nut 1, 2, 3. We are only going to remove these 3 nuts, then we are done. It's out. It's out. You see this thing? It was just hanging around like that. It's a previous mechanic. It's fine. It's out. This is it. It's out. Stabilizer. Ta-da! It's out. This is it, man. This is Better Youth powered by Panic Mechanic. This is shock absorber for Corolla Kentucky Rounder 1.6 engine, baby. Yeah, this is it. It's out. It's out, baby. We are on another side. Now we want to remove this bolt. This car it have got a lot of dust, bro. Yes, it's out. It's out, man. Yeah. As we are taking it out, it's out. This one, it did not give us hard time like that one. It's out, baby. It's out. This is another shock absorber for the other side. It's out. Yeah, we are going to work on it. Oh yeah, this is it, man. This is shock absorber for Corolla Kentucky Rounder 1.6 engine. Yeah, this is it. This is Better Youth powered by Panic Mechanic. I'm working. I've got my boy here, Pogba. I'm working with him. On the other side. On the other side. On the other side. On the other side. Oh yeah. Again. Oh yeah. Safety come first. As you can see, it's a nut and a spacer. It's out there. Oh yeah, shock absorber is out. Yeah. Same time. This thing, the way it works, if I press it down like this, it must come up for itself, you understand? if I press it like this, it must come up. It must go up again. So here it's showing you that there is nothing. So meaning it was not working anymore. You understand? Yeah, I will show you the new one. How does it work? This is it, man. This is our new shocks. You understand? It's Gabriel. It's a good brand. It's not bad, but yeah, it's Gabriel. These are the new shocks. This one are the old one. So we are going to change them and put the new one here. As you can see, it's Gabriel. They said be safe, be sure. Be safe, be sure. I don't know. We are unboxing it. Shiny, 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 shiny. It's new. Ta-da. As you can see, this one is a new one. Gabriel. Remember this thing? Those are the things which was hanging around under the car. Those guys they did not put they just put the stabilizer link, but they did not attach this thing here here on a shock. So we are going to do the proper job now. Okay, I want to show you how does the shock works. You will see. Yeah, I told you if you press it down like this, because this one it was supported by this thing. Let me remove it. If I press it like this, it must go up. Ooh, it's a machine, baby. I press it down again, it goes up for itself. Yeah, now you are talking. Look at the difference. New one, the old one. Let's carry on. The way we remove this thing out, we are going to fit it again. So this thing, it has got a mark here, whereby yeah, it's in. We don't forget, we must first put this spacer. We must first put the spacer, then we come with our nut. Yeah. The rain is about to go down. Yeah, it's about to go down. Hey, bruh, be quick. Unscrew here. This is it. We're done. Going back to the car.
Bang it.
Here, this is a new stabilizer. We wanna put it. Oh yeah, we are putting another stabilizer on the other side. Oh yeah, this is it. New shock absorber and a new stabilizer. Better Youth powered by Panic Mechanic. Men versus Toyota Corolla Kentucky Rounder, baby. This drum does not want to come out. It's refusing. It's refusing, baby. It does not want to come out. Here we are replacing master cylinder. This is the old master cylinder. Oh yeah, as you can see, this is the new one. This is the old ones, and this is the new one.